welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today on this video is a new L3 reviews. Today we will review on both model. It is Hubsan Zino Pro and the Hubsan Zino 2. Here with the black color, it is Hubsan Zino Pro. The theme color of the Zino Pro, it is all black. Battery, remote, even the drone. The weight on the Zino Pro, it is 700 gram and the camera video resolution is 4K 30fps with 12 megapixels. It is available install the ND filter. It is 3-axis gimbal. The remote control it is rechargeable. Maximum range is 4 km. Maximum flight speed is 36 kph. And the maximum flight time is 23 minutes. The image transmission it is used LIS 1.0. The battery it is LiP4 rechargeable 3S battery. So this is the specs on the Hubsan Zino Pro. So let's see here the white color it is Hubsan Zino 2. The theme color of the Hubsan Zino 2 it is all white. Battery, remote control, even the Zino 2 drone. The weight on the Hubsan Zino 2 it is 915 gram. The camera video resolution is 4K 60fps with 12 megapixels. The gimbal it is detachable 3-axis gimbal, and also it is available to install the ND filter. And the image transmission it is used the LIS 2.0. The maximum range on the Zino 2 it is 8 km. Maximum flight speed 72 kph and the maximum flight time is 33 minutes. The battery is used Smart Lithium 4S battery. Zino 2 had optical flow sensor. The remote control it is rechargeable and also with the LCD display. So this is the spec on the Hubsan Zino 2. Now we will show you the video and the photo quality on both models. Let's move on. This is how the video and the photo quality on both models. We also have been tested the maximum range on the Zino Pro and the Zino 2. Please visit our video link at the below description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and see you on the next video.